The year was 1965 when Mr. K.K. Vithani, after completing his chemical engineering from USA, came back to India, and after his brief stint in academics, he embarked on this venture of pioneering paracetamol production in the vibrant state of Gujarat. Proud of being a farmer's son, Mr. Vithani named his company as Farmson. The journey was not easy at all, but the founder's vision helped this organization to face every odd and emerge as the most reliable manufacturer of paracetamol. Today, after 5 decades, Farmson is a world leader in API Paracetamol with a turnover in excess of $280 million and caters to 20% of global demand. Owing to world-class quality, Farmson Pharmaceutical has achieved leading certifications and approvals: CEP from EDQM, EU GMP, Russian DMF, Korean DMF, Uzbekistan DMF, Ukrainian DMF, China DMF, TGA Australia, PMDA Japan, Anvisa GMP certification from Brazil, and are now going forward for US FDA. With a vast global presence and export footprints in more than 50 countries, Farmson has been recognized as a 4-star export house.
We at Farmson completely subscribe to the Atmanirbhar Bharat, that is, making India self-reliant. This ideology is in our DNA and we have been practicing it over the decades. We are a few of the companies who have achieved the Honorable PM's vision of 100% local sourcing of major raw materials, and we have also ensured that our suppliers are treated as our business partners and not as mere vendors.
The 4 decades of association between Jubilant and Farmson had been the enriching experience for both the companies, as both the companies have attained leadership position in their respective businesses. We have witnessed the emergence of Farmson as world's largest producer of paracetamol and country's largest consumer of acetic anhydride. We always take pride for the association with Farmson, as Farmson's belief in inclusive growth have ensured growth and development for all their business partners and stakeholders.
Farmson is one of our largest customers with over 3 decades of relationship, and they are professionally driven paracetamol company. I can firmly say they have the great regard for quality, business ethic, environment, and sustainability. So, being a local Indian company, they have a global footprint today, and we Osagas Chemicals and Century Chemicals are very proud to be their supplier.
Though we are a world leader, we would like to be known as a company which has a sustainable mindset, a care for environment, and having extended a helping hand to citizens, communities, and society at large.
Farmson's unmatched production and supply chain capabilities ensured uninterrupted flow of paracetamol to its global customers, even during the tough times of COVID-19. To mitigate the impact of pollution and ensure environment conservation, Farmson has adopted a unique green technology for the manufacturing of paracetamol and acetaminophen. Such initiatives have earned Farmson the ICC recognition for responsible care. Safety of its workmen is top priority for Farmson, which is reflected in measures that have been undertaken by the company. Simultaneously, the safety of the community and society is also of utmost importance to Farmson. Here, company has played a critical role in supporting and establishing IAOH Safety Center, which works for capacity building of safety professionals and paramedical staff for various industrial clusters, and hence serves community at large.
स्वास्थ्य पर जब चोट होती है तो जीवन का हर पहलू बुरी तरह से प्रभावित होता है।
Thus, Farmson is extending financial support to the patients suffering from critical illnesses like cancer, heart issue and AIDS. To support government initiatives like Swachh Bharat, that is Clean India, Farmson innovated a model of medical waste collection and provided the essential infrastructure and vehicles for it, increasing the hygiene quotient of the hospitals. Understanding the importance of quality education for all, this leading paracetamol manufacturer has supported students from economically backward background for their fees on one hand and provided infrastructure like library and sports facilities at the other hand. Being empathetic to the animals in pain, Farmson provided mobile healthcare unit for stray animals as well as established a diagnostic center for them as part of veterinary care initiative. Today, after 50 years of business and social legacy, with over 2,000 employees and 3 manufacturing units and with annual capacity of over 37,000 metric ton, Farmson is the world leading manufacturer of the most affordable and safest analgesic and antipyretic, supplying to leading multinationals and Indian pharmaceuticals companies. Farmson